2026 to 2027, Back to School Environmental Design. The strategic impact of whiteboard walls on modern pedagogy. It's 2026. Classrooms are filled with technology, but engagement is still a challenge. Because learning isn't just about what you use, it's about the environment you create. Welcome to the next evolution of classroom design, where honestly, walls become active learning tools. Whiteboard walls turn passive spaces into interactive environments, supporting modern teaching methods like collaborative learning and problem-based thinking. They make thinking visible, helping students organize ideas, test solutions, and learn by doing. This design encourages movement, engagement, and participation, transforming how students experience learning every day. It's not just a design upgrade, it's a strategic shift in pedagogy. Teachers become facilitators, guiding ideas as they unfold across the room. In the classrooms of tomorrow, the walls don't just hold the room together, they bring learning to life. Design the space, transform the learning. Call us at 800-936-2159 and speak with a friendly coding specialist. Or visit us at remarkablecoding.com.